Shop smarter with BrainyBuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. Hey, I'm looking at these two Weber grills, the Q1000 and the Genesis 2S 435. Big difference in size, huh?
Totally. The Q1000 is like super portable, only 27 inches wide. Perfect for tailgating. The Genesis 2 is a beast at 65 inches. More of a stay-at-home grill.
Yeah, I noticed that. I'm wondering about the cooking space. The Q1000 has just 189 square inches.
And the Genesis 2? A whopping 646 square inches. Plus, it's got a warming rack, so even more space. You could cook for a whole party on that thing.
Definitely a family-sized grill. What about the burners?
The Q1000 is basic, just one stainless steel burner putting out 8,500 BTUs. The Genesis 2 has 4 high-performance burners, plus a side burner and a sear station burner. It cranks out up to 69,000 BTUs.
Wow, that's a huge difference. So, searing steaks would be way easier on the Genesis 2, right?
Absolutely. And you can saute veggies on the side burner at the same time. The Q1000 is more for basic burgers and dogs.
Okay, that makes sense. What about the grates?
The Q1000 has porcelain enameled cast iron grates, durable enough. The Genesis 2 has 7mm solid stainless steel rod grates. Those are going to retain heat like crazy.
So better heat retention on the Genesis 2?
Definitely. And it's compatible with the iGrill 3 thermometer, which is pretty cool. Monitors your food and tells you when it's done.
That's a nice feature. I guess it comes down to what I'm using it for. Quick, easy grilling on the go, or serious backyard barbecues. What about the price?
Well, the Q1000 is around $229. The Genesis 2, if you could find it, since it's currently unavailable, would be much higher. It's a premium grill.
Right, I saw that it was unavailable. That kind of makes the decision for me, unless I want to wait.
Exactly. Plus, consider the weight. The Q1000 is only 27.5 pounds. The Genesis 2 is 176 pounds. You're not moving that one around easily.
Okay. Portability is a big factor. Thanks for breaking it down for me.
No problem. Happy grilling.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.